Hello guys, today we'll be seeing how to create a directory or how to delete multiple files from a directory or how to delete the entire directory using Python. So stay tuned guys. So we'll be using module called OS, which is an inbuilt module from the Python library for creating a directory. Import OS, will be importing the OS module. Then we'll be creating a directory with os.mkdir make directory and the directory name. So I want to create a directory in my root folder only. So this test folder is there where my new one.py file is there, where my source code is there, and I will be creating a directory here itself. Say folder. Okay. If you see, the file has been created, and I have a folder called I have a folder name with folder is generated here. Now let me create some text file here. Okay, so I have created some files here. Now I will be showing you how to delete the entire files from this particular folder. So for this we'll be using the same OS module only. So here we will be seeing like files equal to os dot, we will be listing all the files from this particular directory. Os dot list that dir. Before that we will be assigning the path to this variable. So I'm using relative path here. Folder, make sure your name folder should be matched with this, so it's a case sensitive one, so you should be very careful in this. So it will be listing all my files in this directory. So now for file name in files, okay, what we need to do is like os dot remove dir class file name. So here is the code is ready. Now we'll be running the code. See, code is ready, it ran executed, and now if it's the folder, see all the files are deleted here. Now next we will be seeing here how to delete the directory itself. Okay, for this we will be using a module called Shutil. This is also an inbuilt module using Python, Shutil. So for this what we are going to do is like just a simple one-liner code, shutil.rm3 and then dir directory. Now we will be seeing the folder called the folder is being deleted from here. See, the folder is deleted here. This is a shortcut way in of creating a directory or deleting the files, all the files from a folder, or deleting the folder itself. Hope you have liked this video. If yes, press like button, and for more videos subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching guys.